Assalamu alaikum, this is me Jamal and welcome back with a new video. Today our video is going to be about some phrasal verbs with the verb pass. Now the first one for today is pass away. Pass away. Now pass away means to die. Pass away means to die. Okay? Now, example about that. After a long battle with cancer, our professor passed away yesterday. After a long battle with cancer, our professor passed away yesterday. Now the second one is pass out. Pass out. Pass out means to become unconscious or to faint. I pass out at the sight of blood. I pass out at the sight of blood. Another phrasal verb for today, which is pass by. Pass by. When you pass by something, you travel or go past without stopping. Example, I noticed my friend passing by with a bag of vegetables. I noticed my friend passing by with a bag of vegetables. Now another phrasal verb for today, which is pass on. Now when you pass on something, you communicate it or you convey it. Example about that. Can you pass on the information next time you see him? Can you pass on the information next time you see him? Now the last one for today is pass up. Pass up. Pass up means to refuse or not to accept doing something. He passed up my invitation for dinner saying that he was too busy. He passed up my invitation for dinner saying that he was too busy. Well guys, that's all for today and I hope that this video was informative and useful for you. See you soon with a new video.